This is a MOF organization. A MOF, we are calling it Educating Miserable and Orphan Foundation. It was created because of the need of the refugees and the host community. We are educating orphans and vulnerable, and we are empowering them to equip them after education and after skill talent. So we are planning to scale this project and this program in other refugee settlements to support refugees and the host community for their need and for better integration in the host community. We are calling everyone for support, for funding, and we are not limited. We are everywhere in Uganda, and we are registered by government of Uganda. This is a leader of the organization, based in Chegegwa district and in Chaka refugee settlement. Thank you.